أسلمت لرب العالمين ووصى بها.
You need to download this 3 apps. Let's make the video. First, open InShot. Input the photo that you want. Now make the size. How much do you want? Input Quran recitation. Go to Effect Style and add Blur Effect. Reduce Blur Effect. Drag it to the end of the image. Reduce lightness or saturation. Go to Al-Bahith Al-Qarani. Now, search for the surah which you added the audio to in InShot, Masahif bil-Rasm al-Jadid. Now find the verse which you want. Like, I want 30 verse. Now copy it. Go to InShot, add text, and then paste it. Now, we need to download one thing more. We need to download Quran Fonts 2013. Go to Google/Safari, search Quran Fonts 2013. Click on Show All Items. Download 2013 fonts. After downloading fonts 2013, click on Important Files. Now, from which page you copy verses, search for that page number in the file. Like mine, 2480. Put everything in its place, as you wish. Now the last one, go to Node App, click on New, add the video, add glow, reduce everything, like me, add block glitch, make it like me, add heat wave, make it like me, add snow, make it like me. Now, upload your video. Don't forget to like or subscribe my YouTube channel.